How to fix YouTube Incognito mode not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and turn on Incognito mode in the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then go ahead and tap on Accounts on top left. From there, look for the Turn on Incognito option in the menu to enable Incognito mode right away. At this point, your YouTube will now switch to Incognito mode, and your watch history and search activity won't be saved. From here, if the Incognito option is not showing up in your menu, it may be because your YouTube app needs an update. Open the Play Store. Search for YouTube at the top. Tap on Update if one is available, and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen YouTube. Tap on your profile picture and check if the Incognito option is now visible. From here, if it's still not showing up, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for YouTube and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Then reopen YouTube and check if Incognito mode is now available. Here's an important note. If your YouTube account is set up as a supervised account or managed by Family Link, Incognito mode may be restricted and won't show up as an option. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on Incognito mode on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.